Harveys Bristol Cream Sherry. Basically speaking, white wine with more ethanol added to make it more pleasurable. But the question is, what would happen if we carbonated it? Well, let's find out. Let's pop the lid off. Let's get a SodaStream bottle, a little SodaStream bottle, and top it up to the squiggly line. Oh, it's quite a dark colour, I have to say. It's going to be slightly lighter once it's got carbon dioxide bubbles in it. Oh. Let's try some pre-carbonation for comparison purposes. So I'll just pour some into this little Glencairn glass. Oh, that's maybe a bit too much, but not to worry. It's very sugary. It's very much like white wine with sugar and ethanol added. But let's put it into the SodaStream and see what happens. In it goes. And carbonate. Looks like Coca-Cola. It's more expensive than Coca-Cola. It's very foamy as well. That's not good. Oh. SodaStream would like to ensure that you only use water in your SodaStream unit and not sherry in case your SodaStream unit explodes. I feel the need to put that in. Oh, it's farted. It's double farted, and I think we'll go for a triple fartulation. Oh no, quadruple fartulation maybe. So let's see, it's very foamy. That's not good when it's foamy, because if it doesn't settle down quickly, I shall pause the video to let the foam settle down, because otherwise it's going to be sherry-tastic. It's basically going to be a one huge big sherry fountain. And while you might like that, it's not very good for the ceiling in here. I'm going to let the pressure off. Oh, it's super foamy. Super foamy. We'll see how it goes though. I'll just hold in there. Oh no, it really does want to foam up, but it is settling down fairly quickly. I'll shake it. I don't think that's really helping, but I'll shake it anyway. It does look just like Coca-Cola. Right, we're just going to have to bear with me here. It's kind of very, very foamy. Sometimes they're like this. Pure water doesn't foam up in the SodaStream. Oh, this is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Oh, a surge of bubbles at the end. I do like it when there's a surge of bubbles at the end. It's usually a sign of good things. Is it fizzy? Judge for yourself. Oh, that sounds very fizzy. Let's pour some into a glass. Oh, it does look very fizzy. Let's taste it. As always happens, it started off sweet and highly potent. It's now fizzy, sweet and highly potent. Is that a good result? Yes, that is a good result. Carbonated Harveys Bristol Cream does respond well to carbonation, and it does create a more physiolistic, sweet, alcoholic potion.